That's impressive.
Transmission probably didn't know it could do that either.
Hard to beat, 316.94. That was great. Heavy assistance, Luke Souther.
Baby, Yank's here.
313.31. 313.31.
Got a first timer coming up here at the Buck. Adam Pinnell out of Bangor, PA, in a 99 Dodge.
All trying the left side here. Look at this. Is this going to be good for him? Better get the RPMs up. Boy, he just wasn't getting any traction there. 244.21, scorekeepers, 244.21.
Samuel Raynell coming up next. Out of Beaverstown, PA, in a 2002 Chevrolet.
All right, back to Sam Radel.
number 3.
296.86, 296.86. Oh, we're just a few inches shy of the Dodge of Clint Arnold, who was 296.91.
One more to go in the class. James Chanowski out of Boston, Maryland in the 06 Dodge.
All right, Dodge currently leading the class. Chevrolet or GMC right behind. Opportunity to make Cummins number 1 and number 2. But this is the final competitor in the modified street class. Somebody tell him there's no smoking. All of that, and that's what happens now. All right, final one, the modified street class. Let's try again. This is 2.0. James Chanowski. There you go. Hey, nice job. About plenty of smoke